Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS margins. And right now we will be discussing about CSS margin for individual sites. CSS margin for individual sites of our element. The CSS has properties for specifying the margin for each side of an element. Margin top for the top margin, margin right for the right margin, margin bottom for the bottom margin, and margin dash left also for the left margin. If you notice very well, we specify the margin and we give every margin dash. After the dash, then we now specify the part of the side we want to specify, which is we specify top or right or bottom or left. That is immediately after the dash, and after the margin we specify the dash. Then after the dash we specify the top or right or bottom, and so on. All the margin properties can have the following values. You can have auto value. When you specify auto value in the margin, definitely the browser calculates the margin. And when you specify the length, the length specifies a margin in pixel, px, pt, cm, and so on and so forth. And when you specify the margin value of percentage in it, it specifies a margin in percentage of the width of the containing element. And when you specify inherit value, it specifies that the margin should be inherited from the parent element. And I want you to note one thing right here. Negative values are allowed. You can specify negative values also. So when you give positive value, you can also specify negative values. So in our next tutorial, I'm going to be explaining this one by one so you guys can be able to understand it in deep way. Anwar akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Have a great day. Bye bye.